Introducing TRENDnet's industrial waterproof Gigabit PoE Plus extender, model TI-OE110. It takes a single PoE Plus connection and extends it up to 100 meters, or 328 feet, to support remote PoE or non-PoE devices. With auto detection of PoE and PoE Plus input, setup is simple. Just plug and go. It supports gigabit speeds, requires no external power, and installs quickly, making it perfect for industrial or surveillance applications. Need more range? Daisy chain 2 units for a total extension of 300 meters, or 984 feet from your power source. The IP67 rated enclosure is weatherproof and dust-tight, ideal for harsh outdoor environments. TRENDnet's TI-OE110. Long-distance power, rugged performance, built for the outdoors. Learn more at TRENDnet.com.